Welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some daily use sentences. କହିବାଠୁ କରିବା କଷ୍ଟ. It's easier said than done. It's easier said than done. ମୁଁ କିଛି ଆହ୍ୱାନକୁ ଡରେ ନାହିଁ ବା ମୁଁ କିଛି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜକୁ ଡରେ ନାହିଁ. I don't afraid of any challenges. I don't afraid of any challenges. ଯେକୌଣସି ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ବି ଆମକୁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. We have to go there at any cost. We have to go there at any cost. ମୋ ଉପରେ ଭରସା ରଖ, ସବୁ କିଛି ଠିକ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. Believe me, everything will be fine. Believe me, everything will be fine. ତୁମେ କେମିତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ରାଜି କରେଇ ନେଲ ସେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ? How did you persuade him to do that? How did you persuade him to do that? ତାଙ୍କୁ ମନେଇବା ଏତେ କଷ୍ଟ ନଥିଲା. It wasn't that hard convincing him. It wasn't that hard convincing him. ତୁମକୁ ଭେଟି ଖୁସି ଲାଗିଲା. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ କୁହ ମୋତେ? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଭରସା କରିପାର. You can trust me. You can trust me. ମୁଁ କଥା ଦେଉଛି ତୁମକୁ ନିରାଶ ହେବାକୁ ଦେବି ନାହିଁ. I promise I won't let you down. I promise I won't let you down. ତୁମେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଏମିତି କରନ୍ତନି. If you were aware of that, you wouldn't do that. If you were aware of that, you wouldn't do that. ତୁମକୁ ସମୟାନୁବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ହେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଯଦି ତୁମେ ମୋ ସହିତ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ. You have to be punctual if you want to work with me. You have to be punctual if you want to work with me. ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୋଇଯାଅ, ଆମକୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି ବାହାରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. Get ready, we have to leave soon. Get ready, we have to leave soon. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ହିଁ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲି. I just got here. I just got here. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଏଠି ନୂଆ. Everything is new to me here. Everything is new to me here. ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ ବି ତୁମକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ରହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. You have to be prepared for anything. You have to be prepared for anything. ମୋତେ ପଚାର, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେବି. Ask me the question. I'll give you the right answer. Ask me the question. I'll give you the right answer. ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ଏକା କରିପାରିବିନି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ କରେ. I can't do this alone. That's why I need you. I can't do this alone. That's why I need you. ତୁମେ ଶେଷ ଥର ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେବେ ଦେଖିଥିଲ? When was the last time you saw her? When was the last time you saw her? ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ଅଛି କି? You got a picture of her? You got a picture of her? ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ତୁମ ସହିତ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହେଉଛି? Why am I even having this conversation with you? Why am I even having this conversation with you? ନା ତୁମେ ନା ସେ କେହି ବି ସତ କହୁନ. Neither you nor he is telling the truth. Neither you nor he is telling the truth. ଆମେ ସେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ସକ୍ଷମ ହେବୁ କି? Will we be able to do that? Will we be able to do that? ଯାହା ସବୁ ମୁଁ କଲି କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଭୁଲ? Is everything I did wrong? Is everything I did wrong? ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ତୁମେ ଆସିବ. I knew you would come. I knew you would come. मोर खराब व्यवहार पाई मते क्षमा कर दियो. Excuse me for my poor behavior. Excuse me for my poor behavior. मते क्षमा करिवे, यह सब मोर भूल थिला. I'm sorry, it was all my fault. I'm sorry, it was all my fault. यह केते समय लागिबो? How long will it take? How long will it take? मो सहित पंगा नियनी. मो सहित पंगा नियनी. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. यह तुमर भूल धारणा होई पारे. It might be your misunderstanding. It might be your misunderstanding. मो पाखरे एबे शब्द नाही कहबाकू. I'm running short of words right now. I'm running short of words right now. तुमर कौनसी विषय रे व्यस्त होबार आवश्यक नाही. You don't need to be worried about anything. You don't need to be worried about anything. आमको तांको खोजी की बाहर करबा को पड़िबो. We have to find him out. We have to find him out. आमे केबे भी ताहा हेबा को देबोनी. We'll never let that happen. We'll never let that happen. निश्चय किछि तो गड़बड़ अछि. Something must be fishy. Something must be fishy. एते बोका हुआनी. Don't be daft. Don't be daft. तांको मो नजर दूर को नहीं जाओ. Get him out of my sight. Get him out of my sight. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. If you can, share this video with your friends and relatives, whoever interested in learning English. Take care and keep practicing. Bye.